Transform your tiny backyard with these Italian garden ideas. Have you ever looked at a tiny backyard and wished it could feel like a peaceful escape in the Italian countryside? I genuinely believe that size has very little to do with beauty. Some of the most unforgettable gardens I've ever seen weren't sprawling estates. They were intimate spaces filled with warmth, texture, and timeless charm. Italian gardens have a unique way of making every square foot feel intentional, inviting, and surprisingly luxurious. In today's video, I'll share 5 Italian garden ideas that I believe can completely transform even the smallest outdoor space. These aren't expensive renovations or complicated landscaping projects. They're thoughtful design choices that bring together natural materials, Mediterranean plants, and cozy outdoor living. If you've been dreaming of creating your own little slice of Tuscany, let's get started. In my opinion, every beautiful Italian garden begins with a focal point. It doesn't have to be a grand fountain or an elaborate sculpture. Even a simple weathered stone planter, a vintage urn, or a rustic bird bath can become the heart of your backyard. Having one visual anchor immediately makes the space feel more organized and elegant. I also think natural stone adds a sense of permanence that few other materials can match. Whether it's limestone, travertine, or reclaimed stone, these textures instantly create the feeling that your garden has existed for decades. When the rest of your design flows naturally around this centerpiece, your tiny backyard suddenly feels intentional instead of crowded. One thing I admire most about Italian gardens is how alive they feel. Instead of relying on colorful flowers alone, they celebrate foliage, fragrance, and texture. Olive trees, lavender, rosemary, thyme, and climbing jasmine all contribute to a garden that appeals to every sense. Personally, I think layering plants is the secret to making a small backyard feel larger. Tall trees draw the eyes upward, medium shrubs soften hard edges, and small herbs fill empty spaces without overwhelming them. Even if your yard is only a few meters wide, carefully layering greenery creates depth and gives the illusion of a much bigger garden. To me, an Italian garden isn't complete unless it invites people to slow down. A small bistro table beneath climbing vines or a simple wooden bench surrounded by potted herbs can completely change the atmosphere of your backyard. Suddenly, it becomes more than a garden. It becomes an outdoor living room. I believe comfortable seating encourages us to actually enjoy the space we've created. Morning coffee tastes better surrounded by lavender. Evening conversations feel warmer under soft lights. And even quiet moments become more meaningful when your backyard feels welcoming. Luxury isn't always about expensive furniture. It's often about creating a place where people naturally want to stay. If there's one material that instantly reminds me of Italy, it's terracotta. Those warm, earthy tones bring authenticity that modern plastic planters simply can't replicate. Mixing terracotta pots with aged wood, woven baskets, stone pathways, and textured walls creates layers that make the entire garden feel rich and collected over time. I also think imperfections add character. Weathered pots, faded stone, moss-covered edges, and handcrafted ceramics all tell a story. Instead of chasing perfection, embracing natural aging gives your garden a relaxed elegance that's difficult to achieve with brand new materials alone. Lighting is probably the most underrated element of garden design. During the day, your backyard may look beautiful, but once the sun sets, thoughtful lighting completely transforms the mood. Warm string lights, lanterns, wall sconces, and subtle pathway lighting create an atmosphere that feels intimate and magical. Personally, I always prefer warm lighting over bright white lights because it highlights natural textures without feeling harsh. The glow bouncing off stone walls, terracotta pots, and green foliage creates the kind of evening ambience that reminds me of outdoor cafes tucked away in small Italian villages. Sometimes the right lighting makes a modest backyard feel more luxurious than a much larger garden. In the end, I believe creating an Italian-inspired garden isn't about copying famous villas or spending a fortune. It's about embracing timeless materials, surrounding yourself with nature, and designing a space that encourages slower, more meaningful moments. Even the smallest backyard can become a peaceful retreat when every element serves a purpose. Which of these Italian garden ideas would you love to try first? Let me know in the comments below. I always enjoy hearing your creative ideas. If you found inspiration in today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more beautiful garden and outdoor living inspiration. Until next time, keep creating spaces that bring joy, beauty, and a little bit of Italy into your everyday life.